and today I'm gonna be doing trip day. So let's get right into it. Okay, let's actually get right into it. Whew. So by the way, they oversleep. Yeah. So actually, let's get into it. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh. Aren't we supposed to be going? Oh my gosh. Aren't we supposed to be going on a trip? I gotta wake up. Oh, ew! Wake up. What happened? Remember the travel? Oh my gosh, you don't stop moving. Oh yeah. If you jump. Okay. Well, I gotta get my clothes and stuff. But first, let's actually wake up together. Okay, I'll get the outfits and stuff. Okay, thanks. Wake up. Wake up. What do you want? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What do you want? It's trip day, so, get ready. Oh, yay. I'll get ready right now. You're gonna have to clean up this room when we're done. Okay. Yeah, let's wake up these. You wake up that rascal, and I'll wake up this one. Wake up. Wake up. What do you want? Remember, it's trip day, and get your stuff off the floor. Okay. And yay. I'm not even gonna make up my bed. Oh, yes, you are. Oh. How do I make it up? Girl. Fine. Okay, I'm gonna wear this comfy outfit. And I'm gonna... Okay, hold on. Let me just... Wake up. What do you want? Trip day. Oh, yay. Let me make up my bed. It sounded like that was made up. Okay, time for me to pick some clothes out. You know what? I'm gonna have the same as Sissy. Oh my gosh, you copycat. What? Hold on. How am I a copycat? Because you're wearing the same thing as me, and then you never stop copying me when we have the same thing. Like, stop. Whatever. I always try to match with my sister. Whatever. I don't care. Y'all stop or y'all not going. No, I really want to go. Okay, well then stop. Okay. I'll be sitting right there. Same. And I have to get all this stuff, bro. Yeah. Gosh. Babe, why aren't you helping? Oh, yeah. I'll get the mermaid. Sorry, I was daydreaming. Well, it's not the time to daydream right now. Y'all get okay, I'm just gonna give y'all stuffies and stuff. Oh my gosh. And you'll have this one. Okay, where in the world are your bags? I'll give y'all tablets. You better be getting your clothes. Okay. I'm gonna wear this because it's gonna be comfortable. Like comfy. Okay. You need help? No. Okay. Y'all forgot to get the bag. Oh yeah. Okay, y'all put your clothes in there. Can you get the other clothes, babe? Okay. Oh my gosh, I hate their movements. Okay. And okay. Got all that. Now we gotta pack our stuff. Okay. I'm just gonna set this right here. Oh my gosh. I can't hold this. I'm gonna get in the thing. Okay. Y'all hold your tablets. Gosh. No, why am my nose getting runny when I'm recording, y'all? Bruh. Okay, let me get this stuff first. Get all of this. I'm staying in my PJs because, like, duh. Same because I don't feel like changing right now. Okay, I'm gonna see if this can fit in here. Yes. And hold on. I did not become prepared for this. Let me find it. I'm so sorry, y'all. Okay, there we go. We'll get everyone's pillows, blah, blah, blah. And yeah. Okay. I'll get it. Oh my gosh. And then you're gonna say that I don't do anything. Not true. Y'all want any y'all toys? Yes? Well, then come get them. Okay. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Which one to get? I'm gonna get this one and this. Because these are my two favorites. And this. No, you can't get that. Why? Because you can't hold it and it's too big. Okay. Bro. Okay. I'm gonna get my fruit and vegetables. And I'm gonna get whatever this is, the blocky things. Okay, y'all, that's it, right? And we've got a surprise for you. So y'all put it in here and then I'll show y'all. So I put the big toys in here. I'll put this. Nope, you're gonna have to take it out the box. But I like the box. Oh well. We'll keep that later, okay? In there? No, I'm gonna have to hold it. No, I'll hold it. Oh yay! And it's not big. But I'll just put it there anyway. And then this one, let me see if it fits. Fits? No. Fruits? Oh my gosh. Okay, this was actually big. I'm about to scream right now. Okay. We got this. Oh, why are you holding that? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put all of this stuff. Oh my god. When? Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. And we have all the clothes going right in here. Whatever. Okay. And you'll have the other stuff. We'll put it in there when we come here. Okay. And this. Or do y'all wanna just put it in here and then when we get to the car, then it's full. Okay. Mimi's yours is going there. And y'all two is going in here. Can this bag close? Okay, there we go. Because I was about to say, well, then we're going to have to hold it like that. Okay. Everyone's ready, right? Yes. Yeah, I think. My beauty stuff. You know we could just buy some when we're there. Oh, yeah. But I don't want to spend all that money. I pay for it. Okay. Okay, we have just made it. Finally. What? This is so heavy. Well, you have to deal with it. Y'all want some food? I'm kind of hungry.
It's maybe because of your big bag.
I'm sorry. Okay, because that's what I thought.
Whatever.
What did you just say? Nothing. Say nothing. Literally. Okay, so I'll order stuff. Okay. Hey, can I have what you want? Anything. Okay, so can I have stuff that they'll fill them up in me? Like what? Anything, like you said. Okay. Maybe both for you and 3 milkshakes. Here's your milkshake. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna set it down. That's hard. Let's just set the bag down. That's an area that would not steal. That's yours. Sorry about the whole thing to be. That's yours. Hey, what about mine? Oh, can I have that? Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Okay, thanks. Why is their stand so zesty? Okay, there is yours. Y'all want some cupcakes or donuts?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Why are you? Okay. Get donuts and cupcakes. Okay, and that'll be like $10.99. What? Nothing? Okay, Miss Little Big Back ate it all. I have a donut or whatever. You can have this one.
No, I want that one.
Okay, we can switch. Okay. I'll just. I don't know why it sounds like that. Yo, please send help. Okay, that's good. Ooh, I still got more. That's actually good. Oh, can I have one? Yes, and that'll be $3. Okay. Thanks. Okay, y'all good and stuff. For the next stop, we'll get stuff.
Okay, that camera open.
Okay, let's get it. Let's go. Go, yo. Let's go, yo. Okay. Sorry, y'all gotta see this, but yeah. Okay, we are here. Let's go. Okay, I forgot we left stuff here. Yeah. I'm already sleeping, so I'm going to bed. Don't y'all want to, like, sit first? Y'all, pretend like this is a car, okay? Okay. Well, y'all get settled, and then y'all can go to sleep when you're done settling it and stuff.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I left their stuff. hold on. Okay, y'all, sorry about that. Y'all, pretend like that never happened. I'm forgetful of stuff. Yeah. Okay. We can just set all this stuff right here, and then when we're done, then yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna start the engine, but I'm not starting it because it's really cold out. For real, Dad? What? Never mind. Where's that secret spot again? Yeah, I'm gonna set this in there. Okay, well, this is crowded. I gotta go here. Okay, this is secret spot so the kids won't know about it. Pretend like she's sitting on one. Okay, well, let me get stuff. Oh, it's toys. That. And all of the foodies. Okay. And then we're done with that. So, I don't need that. Time for this. Am I the only one here helping? Well, yeah, because I never wanted to do that. Whatever. Here's all your other stuff, since I'm the most better one. No, you're not. Yeah, you're not. Yes, I am, because I'm the only one helping out, and y'all just should be like, That didn't make no sense. Yeah. Mommy, Daddy, can I sit in the couch? Why? I just want you. Okay. Yay! This is my bed. Okay. Cool. Didn't need to know that, but okay. That's your stuff right there. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go sleep right now. Because I'm super sleepy. What's this one? I forgot I left my favorite stuff. Okay, well then, I got my tank. And time for me to go sleep. Oh my gosh, can my sister's ever shut up? I'm just gonna set this right there. And I'm gonna go sleep. I'm tired. Okay, let's start. There we go. Oh my gosh. Finally, here. Oh my gosh. Well, that took us like 10 minutes. For real. Yeah. Oopsie. Okay, y'all taking it right now? Yes, okay, so I'm gonna when I go to that one. Okay, y'all are gonna be staying in, room 2. Here's the key, who can hold it? Me, I can. Okay, well, y'all have a nice time here. Y'all should really get some rest. So, yeah. We'll have all this stuff right here. Okay, thanks. Gra. In the room. Oh my gosh, why are you so white? You look like that. Mother, ew. right here. Can we open this?
Well, I'm gonna go sleep. Y'all can handle that. Same. Good night. Okay, stop. Hold this. Hold. Thank you. Good night. Yeah. I'm sleeping with Sophia. See that? Oh, that's me. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Love you.
Well, they forgot their toys. That was just me.
Thank you.
Sorry. Yeah, they don't remember.
Jeez, Bugs.
Okay, well, let's get all this stuff. Well, let me put this one. And my makeup bag. Okay. And lock it. Okay, good. Whose is this? Mine, and then this is yours? No, that's the kids. Yours, that has to be. And then this is my iPad. I'm just gonna keep the toys in there, cause like, I don't know, just cause like that, yeah. Okay, well, we got all the stuff. Time to put it in this space we need to. These are my iPads. And these are the toys. So the food toys that they sometimes play with. And then this is just my makeup bag. Okay, so these are mine. All mine. There. And then these are all the kids. This is the toys. And then these are the girls. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go swimming. Yay! Oh, yay. Yay. Okay. We're gonna like on it. Oh, it's only one. No, but tell me this, they have the same swimsuit, okay? Because I don't out into
Sit. What are we watching here? Yeah. Y'all can only stay in one area where the animals can't go, okay? I'm scared. Come on. Balls. Oh, that's okay, wait. They all have fun. It's getting a little late. Okay, so by Wednesday. Yeah. We have to find out. Y'all stay tuned for part 2. Love y'all. See ya.